This is the Collector Car Podcast, the home for the auto enthusiast. Join Greg Stanley as he applies over 25 years of insights and analytical experience to the collector car market. He will interview the experts and throw in some fun stuff as well.
All right, so this is my favorite part of the conversation. It's called Keep, Cash, or Crush. So I give you 3 cars, and you have to tell me which one you want to keep, which one you want to cash in, and which one you're okay crushing. So are you ready for this?
I am ready. Let's go.
All right, the first car is a Mint 360 with 10,000 miles. The second one is a 430 Scuderia with 30,000 miles and no service records.
30,000 miles and no service records?
Correct. And the third one is an F50 with a salvage title.
Oh, man.
Oh, good. If I made it hard on you, that means I'm doing my job.
Yeah, that's a good one. So real quick. So an F430 with 30,000, or Scuderia with 30,000 miles, no service history.
Yep.
A Mint 360 with 10,000 miles.
Let's make it harder. Let's make it 5,000 miles.
5,000 miles. Okay. And the other one's a F50 with a salvage title.
Yes. Which one will you keep? Which one will you cash? And which one will you crush?
I think I would still keep the F50 all day long.
Really? Okay.
Yeah, I'll take the salvage title. Sure. As far as cash in, obviously, I think is the 360 a 6-speed manual?
Let's say no.
No. Okay.
Great question, though.
Yes, well, that makes a difference, because I would probably cash that one in. That's tough because I think, like I said previously, the Scuderia is kind of the F40 of today.
Yep.
I don't care really about the service history or lack thereof. That is a tough one, but F50 you keep. That's the rarest of them all. I think you. Wow.
Which one do you crush?
That's the thing is you can. The 30,000 miles, obviously, from a salesperson's point of view. Now, by crushing, does that mean you can crash it, race it until you crash it, or actually in the crusher? Throw it in the crusher.
In the crusher.
Wow. If you could just throw a Porsche in there, then it'd be easy. But okay. Then I would already had it. I would say, I guess, the 360 isn't as rare at that point. It's not a manual. Let's crush that one.
All right.
Let's cash in on the Scuderia.
All right. I love it. That's a great way to look at it, and I'm so happy you struggled so hard with that. That means I did my job.
I did struggle. I did struggle with it. But I was just kidding more about the Porsche, but it would have been easy at that point.
That's right. It would have been easy at that point. To make a Ferrari brand ambassador squirm makes my day. So thank you so much,
yes,
Adam.
Absolutely. You're welcome.
Thanks for listening to the Collector Car Podcast. Don't forget to give us a nice rating on iTunes and be sure to follow us on Instagram and everywhere else at the Collector Car Podcast.